Hey guys, it's Gabby. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I am not wearing any makeup, sorry about that. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own coffee scrub. So this scrub, you can actually use it on your face and your body. Coffee has a ton of benefits, but the two main ones are that it eliminates cellulite and it wakes you up, gives you a ton of energy. One of the ingredients in here besides coffee is coconut, and coconut oil is also very moisturizing to your skin, and it also eliminates cellulite. If you'd like to see how to create this coffee scrub, then please keep on watching. Before showing you how to make the coffee scrub, I'm going to go over what you need. First, you need either olive oil or coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil for this scrub because coconut oil also has a lot of benefits, and one of them is cellulite reduction. The next ingredient is sugar. You can use brown sugar or regular sugar. I chose to use regular sugar because that's all that was in my house. Next, you need coffee. It could be any brand of coffee that you have as long as it's ground coffee. Next, you just need like a bowl to mix your ingredients in and like something to mix it. I'm just using a fork. Then you also need like a spoon or these little measuring things. I got these from the dollar store. And then lastly, you just need a jar or a container to put your scrub in. I got this one from Bed Bath & Beyond for 99 cents, but I know the dollar store also has containers. So the first step would be to add your coconut oil. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to the bowl. Okay, so we have our coconut oil in the bowl. The next step would be to add your coffee grounds. I'm going to take this tablespoon. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds. You can always add more or less once you mix it and see the consistency. Next, I'm going to start adding in the sugar. Now, the amount of sugar that you use is up to you. It's based on the consistency that you want your coffee scrub to be. If you want it to be very grainy, then you would add more sugar. If you want it to be less grainy, then add less sugar. And if you want it to be in the middle, I would say add a tablespoon. A tablespoon of sugar, and add that to my mixture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mix all the ingredients together and check the consistency to see if I need any more or less of a product. Okay, so I know that this looks really weird, but I just finished mixing mine, and the consistency is really good, but I want mine to smell more like coffee, so I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of coffee. So I just finished mixing my ingredients together, and this is how it came out. I like the texture of it. It's not too gritty, but it's gritty enough that it's going to exfoliate. And I added a little bit more coffee. I added another tablespoon of coffee just so that it could smell more like coffee. So the last step would be to just add your scrub into your clear jar.
I'll be outside, I'll be on the way. I'll be on the